Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about the most awaited question, that is how to get over hangovers, or what is the quick relief for hangover. Can Ayurveda be helpful in hangovers? If you want my personal advice, so my personal advice is don't take alcohol and you will never have hangover. But the question was not about taking alcohol or not taking alcohol, because these days many people, it's a personal choice whether they want to have alcohol or they don't want to have alcohol. But as an Ayurveda doctor and as me myself, I never recommend alcohol. I also don't drink alcohol. So let's see how Ayurveda can help us to deal with these hangovers in a natural way. Before talking about hangover, first let's try to understand why this hangover happens. It's like we went through physiology of alcohol, because the patients who comes to me, they are taking alcohol, and many of my patients are taking alcohol. It is not I recommended them, but it is their lifestyle, and especially those people who live in very cold countries, according to them they need to take alcohol for their survival in extreme cold and these kind of situations, and but still they suffer with hangovers. So I thought I should make a video regarding hangover which will be helpful for many people. Sometimes they are taking overdose of alcohol and next day they are suffering with hangovers, especially students. But if you are taking alcohol and you have a problem of hangover, so let's see how Ayurveda can help you with this. As you know, when we speak about hangover, what does hangover means? Hangover means burning sensation in your eyes, excessive burning sensation, excessive headache, like headache for no reasons, very severe headache happens. In some cases, some people also suffer with diarrhea, that is loose motions, a lot of watery stools, and in some people there is nauseatic feeling, that is tendency to vomit. These things happens after taking alcohol next day in the morning. So let's see what is the root cause of it and how we can deal with it with the help of Ayurveda naturally. According to Ayurveda, all alcoholic drinks are hot in potency. Any kind of alcohol is hot in potency. And whenever you take alcohol in excess quantity, then there is excessive heat in your system. In other words, your liver can metabolize a limited quantity of alcohol, because liver has certain capacity, only that much it can metabolize, and rest of the alcohol will stay in your blood, and this causes hangover next day, because if all the alcohol get metabolized by liver, then you will not feel hangover, but because alcohol stays in your blood, that's why you feel hangover. So now what to do to remove this excess heat in your system? According to Ayurveda, so first and foremost thing is, never ever take alcohol empty stomach. If you are hungry, never ever take alcohol. You go grab your food first, eat full stomach, and if you want to have alcohol, then take after that. Don't make it a habit. It is just for those people who are taking alcohol and they can't live without it. So for all those people, I am recommending from the morning, don't start taking alcohol. Don't start your mornings with alcohol. You start your morning with healthy routine and have proper food, and in the evening if you want to have little bit, you can take. But whenever you are going to party, don't ever land into alcoholic party without having food. Have food with a lot of fat. Now you must be thinking like fat is bad for cardiac health. Actually, if somebody is this much conscious, then he should also understand alcohol is very bad for liver health and much more. But if somebody is drinking alcohol, definitely they will not be much aware about conscious lifestyle. So if you are taking alcohol, don't forget to take something fat food, like food that contains natural fats, so that like butter or like natural homemade butter you can use, or some cooked vegetable, put butter into it, or anything that contains fat. So, this kind of food you should take before having alcohol. Don't take any sugary thing with alcohol, because as you know, sugar quickly gets digested in your blood. So, if you are taking any sugary thing with alcohol, it quickly mix it up, and it get mixed very quickly, and it get absorbed by your body. So, alcohol get absorbed by your body so quickly if you take any sugar substance with it. So, try to avoid any kind of carbohydrate or sugary substance with alcohol. So, this is the first precaution that you need to take. Next thing is, the day that you have decided to go to the party or you want to hang out with your friends. So, for that day, keep your body hydrated. Take enough water that day, have proper meals during the day, like have a big bowl of fruits in the morning, and then have anything cooked, grains, and then afternoons also take some big bowl of fruits, salads, and then nuts, and then anything cooked. And before dinner also try to have something cooked and in enough quantities, so that even if you are taking this alcohol, it will not impact your liver and gut health very badly. Because if you take alcohol without all these food, directly enter into your small intestine and badly impact it. That causes diarrhea, that causes loose motions, that causes nausea. So, it is very important, never ever take alcohol empty stomach. So, if somebody has taken alcohol, and what to do next day once hangover has started and you have not taken the precautions which I have told in this video. So, then what you do, first thing is take cold water shower. Don't take warm water shower to remove the side effects of alcohol. You take cold water shower so that it will bring you into little bit consciousness. After that, drink a lot of water, because more water you will drink, more urine will come, and all the alcohol that is mixed up with your blood, it will pass out through your urine. So, it is very important that you drink enough amount of water, keep your body hydrated, because alcohol, as I mentioned, it is very hot in potency and it generates a lot of heat in your system. So, this water will help you to cool down your system. At the same time, you can also use some lemon water, like in water, squeeze half lemon and drink 4-5 glasses of lemon water. This will also help you to remove the excessive alcohol from your blood. It will also, because as you know, lemon water is a great detoxifier, it will remove all the toxins from your system. Among fruits, somebody was asking, among fruits, which juice is the best juice for hangover. So, the best juice for hangover is beetroot and carrot juice. So, you can have beetroot and carrot juice, because we consider alcohol as a toxin, you know, because if it not get digested properly, that means what? It has been converted into toxins, and for toxins, for detoxify yourself, we are using beetroot and carrot juice. So, take 1 beetroot, 2-3 carrots and make juice out of it, put a little bit of salt into it and just drink it. This will also help you to detox your system, remove the excess alcohol from your system and make you feel healthy naturally. Or maybe after trying this kind of detox, you will never have willingness to take alcohol, because even without alcohol you will feel amazing. Best thing is, you also try to have some meditation and yoga in your life, so that you will never need alcohol in your life and in your family for happiness. When I said like you need to have full stomach, never take alcohol empty stomach. If there is nothing available, you can have your eggs. If somebody is drinking alcohol, very much possible they are eating eggs also. So, among foods you can have eggs. Don't drink alcohol with chips, that is the most common practice, because chips contains a lot of carbohydrates, and carbohydrates and alcohol is not at all a good combination. So, try to have proper food, and only after that, if somebody wants to have alcohol, you can first try to have full food, full stomach, and then if you want to take alcohol, then you can take, so that next day you will not have any kind of hangover, and the harm to your body will also be less. Because I have met many patients, like they are wonderful human beings, very nice people, but just they caught up in drinking, and drinking, like drinking, and life became difficult for them, especially from health purpose. So that's why I thought at least I should give some guidelines, so that this video will help few people, not all, at least someone, maybe someone will follow these guidelines not to take alcohol empty stomach, and it will help them to keep their health healthy. Some people also were asking, after having this alcohol hangover, can they have some this coffee or any hot drink? Actually, I mentioned, like, alcohol is hot in potency, and if you are taking coffee or tea and coffee both are vata enhancing and also hot in potency. So it will not relieve you. You will see like it relax little bit head, but actually hangover will not go after this. Rather you will feel more nauseatic. So better you take more fruit juice like lemon, or if you have acidity, then to never ever touch alcohol, because for acidity patients, so we say not to take even lemon juice because it's citrus. But if you don't have acidity, then you can take lemon juice. This way, if you are taking, the hangover will be removed naturally and your liver will be saved, and it also will help you to protect and detoxify your liver. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like this video, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. You can click this bell icon and hit the subscription button, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and with this note I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.